makahulugan ang natutunan sa love ng ex-boyfriend ni Kim Chu na si Sian Lim. Sabi ni Sian sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, "Love is very painful, and it's also a very magical feeling. I think that's what love does to you, but at a certain point, love disappears," dagdag pa niya. "And I think, doon na magiging choice ang pagmamahalan. You choose to stay together and you choose to fight for each other, no matter what it is," saad pa niya. Sakali namang bigyan daw siya ng chance na bumalik sa past ay wala raw babaguhin si Sian. "I would just watch myself. I wouldn't really do anything to change anything that happened, kasi I think na parang lahat ng nangyari in the past really helped shape the way you are today," paliwanag niya. December last year nang kumpirmahin ni Kim Chu ang pagwawakas ng 11-year relationship nila ni Sian.